Your skills might already be outdated. And the scary part, you probably don't even know it yet. In this video, I'll show you why your current skills are becoming obsolete, what's replacing them, and how to pivot using AI. Before it's too late, for years, we were told, learn a skill, get good at it, build a career, but that model is breaking fast. AI can now write code, design graphics, create content, analyze data. Tasks that took hours now take seconds. If your value is based on execution, repetition, basic skills, AI can replace you. Not in the future, right now. The game has changed from doing the work to directing the work, from worker to orchestrator. 1. Prompt thinking. Not just prompts. Clear thinking. Knowing what to ask AI. 2. System building. Connecting tools into workflows. Not just using tools. Building systems. 3. Creative direction. AI can generate, but you decide. Strategy, message, vision. Step 1. Stop doing repetitive work manually. Step 2. Use AI tools to automate tasks. Step 3. Focus on higher-level thinking. Step 4. Build systems that run without you. People making money now are building AI automations, running digital businesses, managing systems. Not just working, owning workflows. AI won't replace everyone, but people who use AI will replace those who don't. Right now, most people are still confused. Very few are adapting, which means you have a huge opportunity. You can ignore this shift, or you can use it, because the future won't wait. Subscribe to Passive Profit Lab for more ways to make money online using AI and automation. Comment below. Are you adapting or falling behind?